Mate, you've got to iron your work shirt. How did you think you were going to get the job done with that crusty looking collar and pocket flaps like Batman's cape? Come on, iron that shirt. We have these collapsible ironing stations in our laundry room. They do a pretty good job.
I usually don't unbutton my shirt. I just slide it over the board and start ironing.
I usually iron one panel at a time. This time, let's start on the back. I'll just reposition it to the other half of the back and continue with my ironing. I always try to stretch out the fabric as tight as possible to pull open all the wrinkles and give it the best chance to come out a real little ripper. What I want to avoid is that my pocket flaps curl up like an instant noodle. So let's make sure that we get these pocket flaps really flat and smooth. Looking at my hands, what kind of job do you think I have at this mine site? Maybe an electrician? A mining engineer? A digger op? A pit patroller? Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Only 3 seconds.
None of that. With a beautiful shirt like that, I'm gonna be such an overachiever.
A few moments later.